Hey foodies, I'm Shubhangi Kumbar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy to make and healthy lunch or dinner recipe. It's ambadachi bhaji. Ambadachi bhaji is a vegan, gluten-free and protein-rich recipe which is perfectly nutritious and wholesome meal to carry to work, or you can have as a meal for dinner, or you can include it in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make ambadichi bhaji, I am using a bunch of fresh ambadi leaves or sorrel greens or gongura leaves. Firstly, wash the leaves thoroughly under tap water and then chop them. Ambadi is also known as sorrel leaves or sour greens or gongura leaves. It is one of the nutritious green leafy vegetables. Ambadi is a wonderful source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. This menu is a perfect blend of Maharashtrian flavors with the healthiest twist. Now in a pan, add chopped ambadi leaves and 2 cups of water. This is the coldest water bottle that I have used. It keeps liquid cold for 36 hours and hot for 12 hours. To buy this coldest water bottle, link is given in the description box. In another pan, add moong dal, tur dal, peanuts and a cup of water. I have used instant pot to cook ambadi leaves or the sorrel greens leaves and the lentils, but you can use pressure cooker too. Now pour 2 cups of water into the insert of the instant pot and place the pan with the trivet. Close the lid of the instant pot and place the vent on the sealing position. Now pressure cook on manual mode high for 7 minutes. Once time's up, quick release the pressure and open the lid. If you are using a pressure cooker to cook ambadi along with the peanuts and lentils, then cook for 2 whistles. Take the pan out and drain the excess water from the ambadi and keep it aside. Meanwhile, mash the cooked lentils and peanuts and keep it aside. In a pan, heat oil and splutter the cumin seeds. Now add crushed green chilies, coriander stems and cumin seeds. Add pinch of hing. Add crushed garlic cloves. Now cook this for a minute. Now add cooked ambadi and mix everything well. Add salt to taste, red chili powder and turmeric and mix well. Now add cooked lentils and peanuts and mix well. Add the water. Usually, the consistency of the ambadachi bhaji should be like a dal, so it can be eaten with rice. Add 1 teaspoon of jaggery. The addition of jaggery balances the sourness of ambadi perfectly. Ambadi has a distinctive sour taste which makes this vegetable more tangy. I have served this Maharashtrian style ambadichi bhaji with bajrichi bhakri, steamed white rice and peanut thecha. This menu is a perfect blend of Maharashtrian flavors with the healthiest twist. So guys, do try this recipe and send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share this recipe with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.